just recording on my phone, but I've connected it to my TV. This is so cool, don't mind that. So my hair is blow dried and I'm gonna start parting. Hey everyone, I'm going to try and braid my hair today. It's in a matted state. I kind of like it. Yeah, so it's kind of in a matted state, but I will show you some of the process, like some of the parting process and blending the hair and what it will look like afterwards. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. So I put my hair into these different sections. Not sure if you can see, I don't know why I tilt my head like that, but yeah, they're just different partings, and then I'm just gonna braid those. I've done this much so far. I think it's cute. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a voiceover. So I section my hair and I start braiding it in 3 parts as normal, just like a normal braid. And then I start adding hair bit by bit and continuing to braid, if that makes sense. Just like I'm doing there. And I like to make it look a little bit thicker. So I just keep adding hair until I'm satisfied. Or at least till I get to the middle. And then I stop. I'm going to try and blend these 2 colours together. Purr. Not the cream on my hand. Purr. Do this, but for the accuracy, guys, braiding hair is not for the weak. It is not for the weak. You hear me? You hear me? You comprehend? It is not for the weak. Oh, I'm using some of the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. Just do that. So that whenever I need it, I can just put it in my hair. Baby, you can calm down, calm down. Come with. I'm feeling so tired. I'm not sure if I like the color, but we'll see, guys. Oh my god, look at the parting. I'm so proud of myself. And before I wash my hair, I used a tea tree oil. So I just diluted that in some water in a spray bottle, and I sprayed it on my roots. So I'm hoping that helps with dandruff, because I had really bad dandruff. Like what you see now is a change, because the dandruff, that dandruff was terrible. So I just messed up my parting because I'm talking too much. The boy's a liar. I've got all these different songs in my head. He doesn't see it. I shouldn't even be singing that. I should be singing some Christian music. But I'm on my journey. And I love the way you embrace broken people like me. And I love the way you embrace broken people like me. Oh, that's a little snippet of my singing. I haven't sang online in a long time, girl. I forgot to moisturize my hands. Okay. So let's get into it, guys. And I apologize in advance if I start making weird noises. I was gonna stop recording, but then I realized it might be beneficial for you guys to see how I actually, oh, one's fallen, how I actually add the hair. I hope nerves don't make me mess up. Oh my god, what is going on? Okay, so that's okay. And then I add another piece. Ooh. Okay, like that. And then do that. And I love the way, and I keep adding pieces. You embrace broken people. I'm surprised I haven't run out of storage. My iPhone keeps reminding me that I've just got a certain amount of storage and that I should pay more for more storage, which is more iCloud storage. So my phone storage is fine, but it's the iCloud storage which is interesting. So if you know any external hard drives, that I can use for, you know, like holiday pictures, videos, anything like that, anything that iCloud stores, chat backups. Please, please, please let me know in the comments, because your girl is desperate. I'm desperate. Okay, and then I keep adding her, just like that. See? I really hope that makes sense. Give me a la 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 la. Yes, guys. Yeah. So it's a new day, and I'm braiding. I'm just parting now, and I'll show you the results. But so far, it's actually looking so cute. I didn't expect the color to be so good, but you can see the blend of the blonde and the brown, girl, and the chocolate brown. So yeah, I'm just praying it ends up well, but we'll see. But this was cool. I don't even know how I did that. So guys, I'm finally done with braiding my hair. I just need to put some of them into hot water. I'm not sure if you can see the highlight, because I really wanted to add some highlight. I think you're only seeing some of them. Yeah, the curled ones are the ones that I've put in hot water already. I don't know how they curled. I'm pretty sure this is synthetic hair, so that's really interesting. If you can see. I love my braids. It's just, this is what I'm currently looking like. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. My new obsession. It's not ASMR.